100 kilometers north of Berlin. A lake, a forest, and 58,000 square meters of art placed inside Germany's largest national park. A landscape where UNESCO-protected ancient forests begin just beyond the horizon. Every visit begins indoors. 3 gallery wings of painting and small format sculpture. Then the door opens, and the real scale of the place reveals itself. "20 artists, 4 continents, from the Pacific Rim to the Iberian Peninsula, from the Southern Hemisphere to the heart of Europe." Each work placed with a single intention: to dialogue with nature. You encounter them, you pause, you continue, then another, and another. More than half of all outdoor works were created by one artist. Cristóbal Gabarrón, visual artist, humanist, citizen of the world. His Tao series, 12 polychrome steel sculptures by the water, is a conversation between the human hand and a landscape shaped 10,000 years ago. His Siega Verde works, 13 sculptures along the path, take their name from one of the oldest rock art sites in the Iberian Peninsula. Gabarrón doesn't quote that history. He continues it. Skulpturenpark Wesenberg is an evolving center for the arts. Each year, international artists arrive to live, work, and respond to this landscape. Their works join the permanent collection. The park, in return, becomes part of them. This is what a living institution looks like. And it is a model for any place in the world with identity, memory, and the ambition to connect with the world through art. Born from the vision of the Peter Wilmot Thompson Foundation, this sanctuary was made possible by the commitment of Peter Thompson and David Ng, whose insight first integrated art into this exceptional landscape. Through its partnership with the Gabarron Foundation, the park has reached its full potential, decisively expanding the permanent collection and activating a vibrant model of contemporary residencies. Today, Wesenberg stands as a global benchmark, an inspiring example of how art can transform the land. For more than 3 decades, the Gabarron Foundation has connected art, place, and community across continents. Skulpturenpark Wesenberg is one expression of that vision.